run as a standalone application, nothing more. Okay, here what? Spring Boot REST. Say next. I just want to add web, guys, but in future, when it is sending list of actor object, though we get as a JSON content, when I want to convert that JSON content back to what? List of actor object, again I need to have actor class at consumer side. When actor class is required, there also Lambda API is required for getter setter methods or not? There also Lambda API is required for getter setter methods or not? Yes. Yeah, this is my what? Consumer application. com.nt. Okay, now what I do is, I'll go here. I need a REST template in multiple places. Instead of writing object for REST template everywhere, it's better to create like this or not? REST template. What is there, guys? Create template. Return new REST template. Return new REST template. That's good. Okay, boss. We are ready with. So now what I do is, first I want to work with find by ID. What by ID? I want to deal with what? Find by ID. So we'll start with the simple. For everything, we'll take one runner class. For find by ID testing, one runner class. For second one more runner. So the confusion will not be there. Okay. So what I do is right click, new package, com.nt.runners. com.nt.runners. Yeah, this is Actor API mini project, guys. Run on what? Server. Say next. Remove all. Save finish. Save. Yeah, this is the URL now, guys. No, I don't use Postman. What is there? Actor API. This is the base URL now, boss. Okay, fine. We made it. Here, what is the consumer? This is the consumer application. First, go to application.properties. Embedded server. What server? Port number. Embedded server port number. Server.port 5051. What is there, guys? 5051. That's good. Embedded server port number. Okay. No, I'm running that project on what? Okay. Fine. If both are running embedded confusion, huh? Okay. Okay, I'll make sure that 4041. Suppose the provider application also runs. Generally, they don't run on same machine. They don't run on same machine, you know that, right? Okay. But still, if you then, okay. Tell me now here, new, what is there? Class. What is there? Find by ID test runner. Find by ID test runner. Interface is what? Command line runner. Save okay. Save finish. Okay, that's good. Tell me. At the rate component. That's good. Here I'm injecting REST template, guys. Private REST template. Private REST template run. At the rate auto void. Private REST template. At the rate auto. That's good, great. Private REST template, guys. Here is what? Run method. What is there? Run. In this place, where is this? String base URL is equal to. What is equal to? Base URL is. Copy this, paste it. Array, here we will write what? Slash find 1002. Array, that is also required now, boss. Okay, okay, base endpoint URL. What is there? Endpoint URL. This is my endpoint. What URL, guys? Endpoint. Okay, that's good. Followed by this, what is the next story to focus, guys? Okay. Yeah. String endpoint URL, guys. Actor API slash find 1002. Okay. Now we have two things, guys. We are just looking to get output, not the status code response header, get for object. Why get for object? Because it's a get mode endpoint, right? No, you are interested to get what? You are interested to get what, guys? Come on. Not only output, JSON output or text output, whatever it is, but you want to get status codes and other thing, then get for entity. First, we'll try with what? Get for object. Okay, na? Invoke the endpoint. Invoke the endpoint means consume the endpoint. Consume the endpoint means send request to endpoint, guys, nothing else. Consume the endpoint. Here we are trying to consume the endpoint or not there. Okay. We are simply literally trying to consume the endpoint. Okay. Tell me, string endpoint URL, response entity string. Everything, every result comes as a string, guys. That object means JSON. JSON content as a string will come. Okay. Response entity string res is equal to template dot get for entity. See, guys, here we have a nice first URL. Okay. Response type. I'm expecting everything as a string only. Next word, variables. Okay. Any path variable. Okay. I don't hard code here like this. Here I will put a path variable of what? ID. Here I will try to pass that path variable values are not there. 1002. What two, guys? 1000. Control plus shift plus O. Response entity is string RESP. Template dot get for entity. Endpoint URL. String dot class 1002. Are you getting my point, my dear? Come on. Yeah, that's good. Yeah. Consume the endpoint. We need to consume the endpoint or not there. We definitely need to consume the end. Get the result. System dot out dot println. What is there, guys? Result is response dot get body. Or only JSON content will come, guys. Come on. Okay, otherwise what I do is string, what is there? JSON content. RESP dot get body. Okay, JSON underscore content. JSON underscore content. Fine. String JSON content is equal to RESP dot get body. Are you getting my point, boss? System dot out dot println result is JSON underscore what get content. We get the result over there or not there? We definitely get the result over there. Convinced, my dear? Come on. Yeah, tell me. Get the result. Okay, we just display the result. Later we'll see. Once this output is over, I want to see this application getting terminated. System dot exit 0. I just want to have this one. Okay. Let's see whether it is doing. See this method get for entity. This is output, guys. Now, if you want, you can get other information also, guys. System dot out dot println response status code. I want to know what is the status code. RESP dot get status code. System dot out dot println, and I want to get response headers also. RESP dot get headers. HTTP address object come, fine, no problem. Whatever information is there. See, because I'm using response entity, right? Get for entity. Get for entity. Okay, producer is in running mode. Now I have to run the consumer or not there. When I run it as a normal standalone application, automatically runner code executes or not there. Let's see whether runner code executed or not. Oh, exception came. Oh, we have forgot to keep at the rate component, guys. Oh, no, we have kept now, boss. Acha. Oh, fine. That's good. Yeah, we have not made that one as a Spring Bean. Without Spring Bean, if you try to inject, definitely null pointer exception comes or not there. When not there, if you try to inject, definitely null pointer exception comes or not there. Yeah, check it out. Yeah, see? Result is key value, key value, key value. You are getting output as a JSON content or not there. DOB. Next, response status code is what? 200. Okay. Response status code, content type, all headers are coming or not? Keep alive, connection, come on. Date, all headers, response headers information is coming or not? This is for what? Get for entity. This is what? Get for entity. Okay. This is get for entity. Now we have something called get for object also, na boss. I'll keep this as it is. String, what is there? JSON content one. Okay, JSON content one. Template dot. What is there? Template dot. Get for object. Same story. End URL. Okay, response type I'm expecting as what? String. Path variable is what? 1002. Yeah. See, guys, now if I mention string, return type is string. If I mention float, return type is float. That much size for straightforward it is or not there. Similarly, post per entity, post for object, we have got, but no question of getting other information. Result is, where is this? JSON content to one. What content one? JSON content to one. Yeah, this is one thing. Let me check whether output is coming as a content or not, guys. That's good. Save this. Right click, run as Java application. Yeah, this is a server console. Yeah, I have to run what, guys? Consumer application. Yeah, consumer application is going to give result twice. One for response entity, one for what? Result. One for response entity, one for result. Come on, guys. Yeah, that's good. Okay, now listen. Okay, but in consumer, I don't want JSON as output. String only, string representing JSON. But I want to see real object, guys. Consumer also wants to use as a object somewhere else. So now you should know how to convert JSON output into what? Java object or not there. Yeah, for that one, we should start depending upon what? JSON API. What API, guys? Okay. What is there, guys? Yeah, yeah. Converting. What is there? Converting JSON content into Java bean class object using JSON API. What API? JSON API. Okay, that's good. I'll go to previous any project, guys. Here we have Vivo package is there now, boss. Vivo. Copy this. Copied. Here is my what, boss? Consumer application. Save what? Paste. Yeah, here is my Vivo is there or not there? Okay. No, we are not adding JSON jar files, sir. You need not to add. They come automatically when you add web starter, right? Then why are you taking Java bean? I want back to bad. Instead of creating same Java bean manually, actually if consumer producer both are there in two different machine, I cannot copy paste. In Swagger documentation class structure is coming na, based on that I have to create it. But right now, unfortunately, we both are there same because we are team leader, we are developer, we are tester, everything. Because it's one man show is going on, right, guys? And for that reason, both are there in same mission, easily I copy pasted. But in real practice, that is not going to happen. We read Swagger documentation, their model class structure will be there. Based on that, I will develop. Okay, why? Array, consumer need not to be in Java, can be there in .NET also. .NET people understand the structure, they create according to Java's, sorry, .NET style. PHP people write in PHP style because web services are what? Interoperable, don't forget that. Consumer and producer must be there in same language technology, can be there in different all. Yeah, now we have class called object mapper. What is there? Object mapper is equal to new object mapper of object mapper is equal to new object mapper. That's good. Object mapper is equal to new object mapper. That's great news. Yeah, followed by that, what is the story to focus, guys? Mapper dot. Hmm. What is there? Read value. Read value. Read value. Hmm. So though it says byte array content, you pass string, it will convert it into byte array internally. What is there? JSON content one. One or two, both are same. Some close the door. Someone close the door. Yeah. Hmm. You want to convert it into what, guys? Actor VO dot class. We want to convert that one into what, guys? Actor VO dot class. Here, what is there? Actor VO. Actor VO. Now we got the object, my dear. Okay, tell me. VO object to data. Here, this. Now, ultimately, we got the object or not there. Fine. Okay, that's good. Mhm. Right click, run as Java application. Yeah, tell me VO object data. Again, back to object or not there? Again, back to object or not? Fine. I think you understood the difference between get for object, get for entity. Get for object means only output. That means response body only come, not the header, not other thing. Get for entity means what? Get for entity means what, guys? Come on. Body plus, okay, body plus something else will come. Are you getting my point? Okay. Headers, status code, everything can come or not there, guys. Yeah, that's good. Okay, now now I'm coming back to my question, which is pending, guys. Okay, I'm asking you people to take ChatGPT support in mobile and tell me. Posta. Oh, request, request mapping. Are post per entity, post per object is only post. Put is for put. Delete is for delete. Single method that can generate all modes of request. Post only. How post is post for? Says open ChatGPT in your mobile. Huh? What is that? Graph Korea. Graph QLA. What is the one method? I just want to check your knowledge. What is the one method that is there in REST template class which can be used to invoke all the five modes of endpoints, all five request modes enabled endpoints? Huh? Yes, that's the exchange method. That's the one method that can generate what? Any mode of request. What is there? Not studied in project classes? Study REST template? Not studied. Okay, then fine. Let's not get into more details. Fine. What is the method we are having, guys? Exchange method. Okay, let's see now what I am going to do. Okay, here conversion is done. Yeah. Exchange is the method. In exchange, no option. You have to get total response. That means return type is response entity only, right? What is this? Response entity string. Response one is equal to, what is equal to? template dot exchange. Yeah, listen, boss. There are multiple parameter, not one, two. Now listen. In get mode, no need of passing body because it does not take body. But in post mode, bodies may be required. Headers may be required. Come on. That's why there are one, two parameters which you have to pass null while dealing with the get mode endpoints. Because get mode request does not have body, right? Okay. Yeah. See, first what? Exchange. What is their exchange? What is their endpoint URL? Fine. What is the method? HTTP method dot get. Why are you mentioning, sir? Sir, it is one for everything. Na? I have to tell which mode request I have to generate. Next, guys, this is HTTP entity, request entity. Array, this will be representing headers and body. Request header, request body. I don't want to have anything, guys. Yeah. In what format you are expecting result? String. Okay. Are there any parameters to pass? Path variables to pass? 1000. Are there any path variables to pass? 1000. That's enough. Okay. Tomorrow, same exchange method I can use to send request to post mode entity, delete mode entity, patch mode entity. Okay. Only first time I'm going to teach all the things. Next application onwards, every endpoint through what? Exchange only. Clear, boss? I don't want to waste my energy, post separately, put separately. First time I'm showing all varieties, guys. Okay. Now listen. Response one. What is there? Result is response one dot get body. Response one dot get body. Status code is, once again, I'm trying to get everything. What is there? Status code is response. What is there? Response one dot get status code. Next, status code is, come on, response one dot get headers. Response one dot get headers. Everyone getting my point there, guys? Yes. Okay, that's a one method that can give everything. Okay. Now, my provider application anyhow in running mode, I have to run what? Consumer. A consumer application we are terminating at the end of the runner by mentioning exit 0. Okay, now see, this is first get for entity. This is get for object. This is for what, guys? Exchange method are not there. Working are not there. Can I give one beautiful option we have, guys? One beautiful option. Actually, we are getting everything as what? String response. Then we are converting into Vivo object, right? In exchange method, we have a good provision of, a great provision of, check it out. Copy this, paste it, response to, response to, here I want to say actor Vivo. Okay. Here, return type is what? Actor. Actor Vivo dot class. It will directly gives me what? Actor Vivo. Okay, you are not believing me, 1 minute. Actor Vivo 2 is equal to uh, actor Vivo 2 response dot get. Array, wait, actor Vivo. Why? Response 2 dot. Response 2 dot. Why actor Vivo 1? Okay. Result is, what is there? Vivo. What's happening? 53 or 43? Acha, this is creating problem. Okay, fine. This is done, boss. Okay. Tell me. Yeah, here also response to dot status code. Response to dot save it. Right click. Tell me. Run on Java application. Java application. See, guys, there is no need of you getting string and converting into Java object. Directly we can ask to convert into Java object. This is another advantage we are having it with exchange method or no? Sir, why are you doing, sir? You did not try for get for get for entity also you try. Let me check. In get for entity also, let me try. Yeah, okay. Here we take this guys. Get for entity is there now, boss. Yeah, get for entity. Okay. This is get for entity story now, boss. You try same thing. You try same thing for what? Get for it. Say paste. Response entity is string. Response 3. Get for entity, not this. Actor dot class. Here is what? Actor. Sorry, actor vivo. Here also what? Actor vivo dot class. Yeah, tell me. Let me try. Result is okay. Why response 3? We'll directly okay, response 3. Actor Vivo 3 is equal to response 3 dot get body. Vivo 3. Yeah. Response 3 dot get status code. Response 3 dot get header. Okay. Right click, run as Java application. Yes. Last one is what, guys? Actor Vivo. Actor Vivo. We can do same thing in get for entity also, na my dear. That means not compulsory you should get everything as what? String. Not compulsory you should get everything as string convert into actor Vivo. We can directly convert into what? Vivo object. I think this is interesting or not there. Okay, fine. This is about find by ID. Now I want to do same thing for what? I want to do same thing for I want to do same thing for find all is there now, boss. Let's go for find all. For that one, let me develop the runner. Okay, I don't want to execute this runner when that runner is executing. Only for testing purpose, na runners I am taking. If it is a real application, it will be used in different angles as for the application. Slash component. File, tell me, save as, tell me. Find ID test runner? No. Find all, what is there? Find all test runner. What runner? Find all test runner. Yeah, change the class name to find all test runner. Here is at the rate component. Endpoint URL, guys. Mini project actor API. Here is what? All. Any parameters to pass? No. Okay. Yeah. See, first we'll go for get for entity also exchange, not many arrays. First we are getting as what? String. We are getting as what? String. Endpoint URL, string. No need of passing any para inputs. Is there any need of passing inputs, guys? Is there any necessity of passing inputs, my dear? Okay, that's good. There is no necessity of passing what? Any inputs. Okay, response body, this. Response body, this. After this, exchange. Response one, come on. Endpoint URL, get, no body. Here also looking for string. No need of passing this one. No parameters, na boss. That is also coming. Okay. First, we'll see these two varieties, guys. We'll see these two varieties, right? One is, what is there? Get for entity. Other one is what? Exchange. In exchange, we are mentioning URL separate. Okay, boss. But basically, JSON content means you will get array of documents, na boss. Yeah, find all editors. That's good. System.exit 0. Oh, I stopped producer. Okay. This is the producer I am running now. What's the URL I am running? Yeah, pros 9. What we are running is pros. Run on server, say next, save. Yeah, tell me, what is the story to follow, guys? Project to 12 we have to run. Here is my runner or not there. I hope you understand what's happening there. You will get array of JSON documents or not there. Terminated, first one. Okay, first one. Balaya Babu. Surya. Third one. Rashmika Mandana. Venki. Same output came second time also, guys. Same output came second time or none? Okay. Now, in one thing I would like to convert into what? Array, we have to convert this array of JSON content which is coming as a string into list actor view object or not there. We definitely need to do that one as what? List actor view object or not there. Yeah, definitely we need to go for this. Convert JSON content to list actor view class object. What object, guys? List. JSON content to list actor view class object. Everyone getting my point there, guys? Already this JSON content is there or not there? Here we are having this JSON content over here now, my dear. Come on. Yeah, that's great. Fine. Copy this. What is there? Copy this. Object mapper. What mapper? Object mapper. Mapper is equal to new object mapper of. Object mapper. Mapper is equal to new object mapper. That's good. Object mapper. Mapper is equal to new object mapper. Fine. List actor VO is equal. List actor VO, list VO. Tell me, what is the story to follow? List actor VO, list VO. What is there? Actor, mapper dot read value. What dot read value, guys? Mapper dot read value. What is there? JSON content. JSON content dot. Okay, now the practical problem has come. If it is a simple class, actor dot class, but now I want to pass what? List of actor view. How do you will pass? Tell me. Ah, list actor viewer dot class you'll pass, huh? Okay, I know what you get is like this one. This one you are expecting. List actor viewer dot class. Now that this is a big challenge. Is it allowing, boss? Now tell me. If this is the situation, how you handle it? Simple classes, you are passing string dot class, actor dot class, viewer, actor viewer dot class. Now I have to pass list with generic. If it is only list also, you would have passed list dot class. But list with the generic, I have to pass. Tell me how to pass. Again, open ChatGPT and find out. Stream data. How to pass java.lang dot class object representing list actor view. I want to pass java.lang dot class object representing what? List actor view. That's a question or not there, guys? I'm giving 2 minutes time. I'm giving 2 minutes time, guys. Tell me. Tell me. I'm going to listen one new class from your mouth. Huh? Yes, type reference. We have to use a type reference. Tell me. What is there? New type reference of, what is there? New type reference of one anonymous inner class, some story is there here, right? New type reference of, okay, that's good. I think where I have to pass, guys? Actor view I have to pass here na? Actor view. Not correct? List actor view. List actor view. This is how we have to pass type reference when you cannot use a dot class property. When you can use dot class property, that's fine. When you cannot use dot class property, this is what you have to do or not there. Fine. Once we got the list VO, tell me. List VO dot for each system dot out colon println are not there. System dot out colon println are not there. Okay, fine. Now come to these guys, right click, run as a Java application. This is the challenging part. Yeah, now we got here JSON, but that JSON we converted into what? List actor VO class object are not there. List actor VO class object are not there. Okay, wait a minute. Wait a minute, guys. Yeah, sir, instead of first getting string JSON, then converting into list VO, Why all this drama? Directly you ask in what? Exchange method itself. Directly you ask this story in what? Exchange method itself. Getting my point, my dear? Yes. This is the story to follow. Say paste. Yeah. Yeah. Response to. What is there? What is there, guys? Response to exchange. HTTP method dot get null string dot class. Okay, now I don't pass string dot class. Here I will bring same type reference into picture or not there. Because there also I want to pass straight away. Right? So that I can directly pass. Actor, I can directly get actor view or not there. Response 3. Already list actor view. Yes, what you said is right. What is there? List actor. Response to dot get body. Response to dot get status. Response to dot get headers. But the no need of